Welcome back to Jack and Julie's Learning Channel. Do you want to tell them or should I?
Today we're doing the exploding bag. It's from my science experiment book.
He got it for his birthday. Yes.
Got it for my birthday.
Birthday was on Thursday. Alright, so let me have the bag.
So Julie's gonna hold the bag.
Me. Alright, fold up the thing.
We'll fold this up like that.
What's in your paper towel?
What's in there?
Baking soda.
So 2 tablespoons of baking soda.
So we put 2 spoons of baking soda, 2 tablespoons of baking soda.
Calm down because you're about to spill it all over the
We
place.
don't have very much baking soda, but
Okay,
you
next
can buy.
is, so Jackson's gonna pour first about a 1/4 cup of warm water.
Hot water.
Warm,
Warm water.
1/4 cup.
Julie.
Quit moving, Julie.
Oh, it's hot.
Then
Mama, are you gonna run?
then half a
that?
cup of,
Half a cup of vinegar.
Julie, you gotta move the bag out toward him, baby.
I can't. He's
Yeah, you can.
moving
Thank
around
you.
everywhere.
Thank you. Okay. Now put that all down. So now what are you about to witness? So Jackson, fold it one more time.
Are we gonna go put it in the grass and run away from it?
No, fold it one more time, and then one more time this way. Perfect. Okay, now drop it in the bag. Zip it tight. And there you go. Because of what's
Yeah.
happening.
What's happening is it's gonna explode.
You got. So tell your audience what's happening.
What's happening is the
We don't know
vinegar
what
and
it's
baking
gonna
soda
do.
react to make carbon dioxide gas. The warm water helps things speed up. As more and more gas is made, it fills up the bag and tries to escape. Finally, the bag can't hold it and goes more than splat.
So do you see what's happening to the bag?
It's exploding.
What's happening to it?
It's about to explode. Because there's gas in there. Wang! Wang, wang, wang. Come on. Hope this doesn't happen again. Bye.
Well, if it doesn't explode, that's okay. We won't let them keep waiting. But what? So you already explained what was going to happen. So what's happening? Gas is forming carbon dioxide, and so it's trying to escape, and eventually it has nowhere to go. So it goes.
Boom!